While this section may look simple on the surface, it gives you full control over how your email notifications are sent and what content they include. And once you've got this all set up, you're pretty much done with the email part of your post-submit workflow. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, we need to install the Next Blocks plugin, and for that, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New, and here in the search bar, type in Next Blocks. Once you spot it, click on Install Now, and then hit Activate. Set, the free version is now up and running. Now, here's the scoop. The form block is a freemium widget. That means while you get a taste of its capabilities in the free version, to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to Nexter Pro. And before you doubt a little, trust me, it will all be worth it. At the moment, I'm on Nexter's pricing page. And here you can see that there are different plans available for Nexter Pro. Each plan is designed to cater to various needs. So take a moment to review all the features and determine which one aligns best with your requirements. Now onto the checkout page. Here Nexter offers a variety of payment options. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal or other available methods, choose the one that suits you best, and once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the license key and the plugin zip file right here on the checkout page. Download them and we will proceed to install and activate Nexter Pro onto your WordPress site. Here, simply we'll need to navigate to Plugins, then Add New and click on Upload Plugin. Select the zip file and click on Install Now, and after installation, activate the plugin. Further, to finalize the setup, go to Nexter Blocks, Dashboard, click on Activate Pro and paste your license key into the activation field and click on Activate. Set. And just like that, we've unlocked the full suite and of course the Nexter Blocks Pro features. Now, let's activate the form block itself. In your dashboard, head over to Nexter Blocks, then Blocks, and here you can see a list of all the available blocks. Find the form block, toggle it on, and don't forget to hit on Save Settings. That's it. You're now all set to integrate this powerful tool into your pages and elevate your site's interactivity. Alright, moving ahead, since email is probably the most used action after form submission, let's open it up and take a closer look at what it offers. So, right here, as soon as you expand the email section, you will notice you are getting not just one, but three separate tabs that are to CC and BCC, which are pretty much like any normal email setup. For now, we are sticking to the default 2 tab. Now, the to field here is super important. This is where you enter your email address where you want all your form submissions to land. It could be your own email, your clients, or even multiple ones. Just separate them with commas. Next, we've got email heading. This is more like a label or a title that shows up at the top of the email body. Think of it like a little subject inside the content itself, not to be confused with the actual subject field which comes just below. Speaking of which, the subject is, well, exactly what it sounds like. Yes, the email subject line. Keep it clear and descriptive, like new contact form submission or support request received. Then we've got two really dynamic fields that are from email and from name. By default, you'll see something like next email and next name here. These are dynamic placeholders which will automatically pull the user's name and email from the form fields when the message is sent. So you don't have to hard code anything. Just let Nexter do the job for you. Right below, there's this reply to field as well, which is super helpful when you want replies to go back directly to the user who filled the form instead of the email used to send it. Just pop in next email here and you are all sorted. Now, this one is kind of like the cherry on top, which is metadata. This lets you automatically include useful background information along with the form submission. Things like the date and time of the submission, the page URL where it was filled, the user's browser details, or their IP address can also be included. Just choose which of these details you want from the drop-down and they will be added straight to your email body to give you more context about the submission. Now, right at the end, you've also got some couple of fallback messages. Now, if something fails during submission, for example, maybe the recipient email wasn't valid, you can customize the sender's message sent to failed field and let the user know something went wrong. Same goes for validation error occurred input field too. This is the message that the user will see if they miss a required field or enter something invalid. So yeah, while this section may look simple on the surface, it gives you full control over how your email notifications are sent and what content they include. And once you've got this all set up, you're pretty much done with the email part of your post submit workflow.